Hello, my name is Kaleem Hussain and today I brought you a new exciting video. And the video is I'm gonna show you how to drive on a dangerous hilly mountain. And if you can't drive it, just be brave. So get started. When you're ready to go, forget. Just concentrate on the gear. Make it the gear on the first. Now the gear. Here. Now, boys and gentlemen, I'm going to drive. How high I drive? Just continue. Boys and gentlemen, I'm taking a little going back because it's a little bit dangerous. So, if you're a little bit scared, just do it again and again, but you should always win. So where was we? Yeah, we were. My name is Close. Huh? Hello. And dangerous mountain. Oh, and you don't forget to press the gear. Now the gear is on the first gear. And remember to always put the gear on the first gear. It's very dangerous if you bring on the 7th gear. The 7th gear is the fastest gear. So let's get confident. Boys and gentlemen, if you're going to drive the bike up the hill, we need to drive the bike. So, sorry, boys. Boys, you need to get more speed to go. So let's go. We are reached. We are me for. So now the scariest part, I said dangerous, and the dangerous thing is going down. First, I'll show you the easy, the hardest thing. And this is the biggest road that we need to ride on for many years. And if you're a little bit scared, you can just go on small roads like that. If you like this road, you can go on this road, or if you're going to go on this road, we'll go on this road. I'm first going to teach you how to go on a bumpy road like that. Very scary. And I'm the one who is brave. The one who is brave. Drive. Just a tail. Have come, and the bumpy road that I show you is that's the bumpy road that I showed you, that it comes off. Before closing the video, you should look at my previous video, part 1, how to drive the bike. And before ending the video, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks.